My name is Ricky Hudson and I am the owner of Acts of Service Plumbing. When we started the company, we had a desire to help people, and it all started with one customer that the company I was working for wasn't able to help them because the customer just didn't have the financing to do the job. So my sons and I, we got together and we decided to go and bless this family. So we just showed up on a weekend, ran them a new water line for their house, and it took us about 3 hours and took us about $100 in supplies. Our no-brainer offer is that we promise to be on time and on budget on every job. We will come in, give you upfront pricing before we ever start, and we'll make sure that we stay on budget for you. If you're watching this video right now, I would like for you to just pick up your phone, give us a call at 918-891-1737, or you can also email us at actsofserviceplumbing@gmail.com. In case you missed it, our no-brainer offer is we will promise to be on time and on budget on every job. And our web address is actsofserviceplumbing.com.